Alright guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I may be playing Brookhaven, but you cannot touch the color green. Woo! Yeah! Alright, let's go. Alright, so first challenge is go to the grocery store without touching green. Let me max this up. Alright, whoa, look how fast this is. Alright, I'll make something that's not green. So like no green apples, no green. But I do have pizza. Alright, Hershey's. Let's grab some Hershey's. Yum. Doritos. Oh, I forgot. I accidentally got off my little thing. Alright, next challenge is go to the movie studio without touching the studio without touching green. Oh! Alright, fine. That counts. I lost 1 life. I have 3 lives. Now I have 2 left. Because I lost a life. So where's the club? Oh, right. The little club's over here. No! I have 1 life left. I really hope I don't lose. Green. What should I do? Happy Burger. I thought that was Habit Burger. Do you know what Habit Burger is? Yum. Yummy. Oh, I can place it down. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Gonna die. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm gonna die. Wait, you can't die in Brookhaven. Oh! Alright, so next challenge is let me find where the church is. Where's the church? Oh, that's green, so I can go there. Okay. Oh, like and subscribe. Oh my gosh, I almost said green. Almost. I'm gonna try not to fail the challenge. Alright, guys. Yo, so which way? Almost hit green. Oh, I'm gonna have to go over there without touching green. How do I go over there? Alright, I have an idea. Where's the ladder? Where's the ladder? Aha! Alright, ladder. Oh wait, I can't reach it right there. Let me see if I can make that jump. Wait, let me try right here. Oh, I'm on it, bro. I'm really on it. Oh, I was so close. Alright, I failed the challenge, but who cares? I have infinite lives now. But I still don't want to touch green. I have a parkour. Oh, how did that work? How? It's so quiet. No! Are you kidding me, man? Are you serious, me, bro? I can't even get up there. Okay, now I can. Now I can't. How do I get up there? Okay. Yeah, but there's green everywhere. Ah, no! How do I keep touching green? I suck at this challenge. Oh, let's go! Sue! Cristiano Ronaldo, Sue! Alright. I'm gonna try to make it from here. Let's go. I have an idea. Oh man, it reached at last second. Oh, wait, I'm gonna try to make it from here. Oh, oh my goodness. This is a very cool trick. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding? Are you serious right now, bro? I'm serious right now, bro. Alright, boom. Oh, boy, I actually made it to the top. Alright. Go for 6 minutes. Alright, let's try something else. Let's go somewhere else. Alright, Brookhaven stables. Alright, but not. Wait, did I go the wrong way? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. See you next time, boy.